Hey, today I'm going to show you how you can create your own emojis on the iPhone. So you'll notice that I have like this little rainbow skull right here and I have this little dachshund over here. Well, this is using the Apple Intelligence. So actually the first thing that we need to do in order to create our own emojis on our iPhone is go into our settings app. Once we're in our settings app here, you want to scroll down to where you see Apple Intelligence and Siri. If you don't have this option, then your iPhone might not actually be new enough in order to have it. I believe it's on iPhone 15 and later. So once we're scrolled into there, you just want to make sure that you toggle on and that you have Apple Intelligence toggled on. You can go through all the menus to make sure that you accept the policy and all of that. Once you have it toggled on, then you can go back to your messages. And the way that I was able to create these little custom emojis here is by selecting this little plus icon. And then if we have Apple Intelligence turned on, we're going to have this new option called Genmoji. We can go ahead and select this. Let me select it one more time. We can select Genmoji. And then in here, we would just type in what we want. So maybe I would type in dachshund, right? It is then going to start generating some options here for us. And the nice thing is it will pretty much keep giving you different options. Let's say that you don't like the first one. Well, you can go ahead and scroll over. You can scroll over again. It'll give you several different options. And even when you get to the last one, it'll start creating a new one for you. So it'll just keep doing this over and over and over again until you find one that you like. Once you find one that you like, you have a few different options. You can go ahead and select those little three horizontal lines right there, and you can save it to stickers, or you can go ahead and just select add, and then it's going to add it into the text message right here, as well as add it to your little emoji library down below. So this is pretty much everything you got to know about how to create your own custom emojis on the iPhone. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.